This is Dr. B, and here's how you take log base 2 of 0. Short answer, you can't. It's undefined. And here's why. So when we're doing these logs here, we take our 2, let's just put this over here, and then the 0, let's just bring this down here. And what we're saying is 2 to some number equals 0. You might think 2 to the 0, that would equal 0. But 2 or any number to the 0 power, that just equals 1. So you can't really put anything in for x here that's going to allow you to end up with 0. There's just not any number that works. So we take log base 2 of 0 or log base anything of 0. It's undefined. We can't find a value for x that equals 0. So for example, we take 2 to the 0, we're going to get 1. So we just can't do it. It's undefined. It's Dr. B. Thanks for watching.